Hello friends, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and today is Summer Ain't Over, and our hosts are Shabby Meets Bling, Up All Night DIY, Jody Southern Seasons. Please check out their channel in my description box and the amazing creators in the playlist for some fun summer DIY ideas. gonna use these for the beads up here, but now my navy blue doesn't match. So I'm gonna change this out. I thought I took all the knots out. I guess not. Doesn't matter because I'm not using that string, so we'll just use the nose. This had white, had tan beads on it. I'm gonna just string the turquoise, and okay, I strung the beads in a random pattern, and then I just tied a knot back here, and then I'm gonna trim off the crazy fray. And this will be our hanger. And we had this left over on that tassel, and I thought, I'm not gonna let that go to waste. I'm gonna just use that like I would a bow. And I'm gonna put that right up here. We are painting with Sun-Kissed Peach and Caribbean, I call it turquoise, both apple barrel. I'm gonna start out with that. Because I want it to look like the flip-flops were on the sand. And it's storming outside, so if you hear something, it's storming. It's been storming all morning. So it's definitely not a day to go to the beach. And my Bailey, he's growling, keeping the thunder at bay. And this one I'm going to paint with the turquoise, the Caribbean by Apple Barrel. Because this is my favorite color, and also it does scream beach. So we're going to work on beach. This will take a couple coats, but I'm not gonna video every coat. It'll probably take 2 or 3 coats. Of our flip-flops. And I'm sorry, but I'm gonna add the thing that goes between your toes because I think it needs to be there. Now that looks more like flip-flops. We got it tied together. I'm gonna trim the knot, some of the, and I want it to hang like this. So to get it to hang perfect, I'm gonna add a little hot glue. Add our hot glue. So our tag stays exactly how we want it to be seen. And then here's our hanger.